So we're going to run through each of these slides individually just to make sure that you're understanding exactly what you're doing in order to fill in your vocabulary practice. So some of these slides 2 through 4 are drag and drop. So what you're doing is you're just going to grab the text box and you're just moving it to wherever it should be. So if I have buenas tardes, we should know by now that that means good afternoon. So then I'm just moving it over here to put them in order. And then you'd grab your other ones and then put them in where they are supposed to be. This will be the same for slide 2 and slide 3 and slide 4. Slide 5, you are going to be typing the number of the English word in the box with the correct Spanish word. If the total of all of the rows and columns and diagonals add up to 34, your answers are correct. So what you can see is that for number 1, I have and you. So what I want to do is I want to look through and I want to find and you, and I see E2. So in that text box there, I would just type the number that is correlated with that, which is 1. And then if I do this correctly, once I'm all done, down here, this will all add up to 34, this will add up to 34, and diagonally will add up to 34. All of your numbers are on the side, so hello is 2, please is 3, okay 4, etc. And these are all of our vocab words, which you can also find on Quizlet. Continuing on, we have 2 where we're going to be dragging the text boxes to put the conversation in a logical order. Student A, who is yellow, so everything that is yellow is student A, is going to start your conversation, and then student B, who is purple, is going to respond to student A's questions. So you're going to try and figure out what you think would go first. So for this one, I would probably start where it says hola, so that I have the beginning of a conversation. So saying, hola amigo, hi friend, ¿cómo estás? How are you? So what I would do is I would drag that, wrong one. I would drag that into my first box here. And then you're going to want to see the response to this. So whenever you ask a question, there should always be a response to make sure that your conversation flows logically. So then you have a choice of yo tengo 15 años, adiós, or estoy bien, ¿cuántos años tienes? And then you're going to drag whichever of these purple boxes you think would be next, and then continue on with your conversation. So these sample conversations here are to help you see what a PS1 type question, how you could be creating a conversation to ask and answer questions with a partner, or this could be similar to our PS3, our writing, where you would be writing a conversation in order, making sure that it is logical. Or this could also be for PS2, practicing our vocab. And then finally, on the last slide, you're just going to practice your vocab for at least 5 minutes. And then once you're all done, you can submit this on Google Classroom. If you have any questions as you're going, please reach out and I will be there to help you.